What happens when you take Montana's young minds and put them together with some scientific exploration? Well, we're going to find out. Goggles on. It's an explosion of genius at the Montana State Science Fair. 6th through 12th grade students from around Montana came to Missoula to present their science projects. On the line for the competitors were cash prizes, trophies, and for 4 winners, a trip to Dallas, Texas for the largest science fair in the world. Hellgate sophomore Faith Yu has been working with common fruit/vinegar flies in the labs at the University of Montana to learn about the gut-brain connection. Faith's interest in the brain was sparked at a young age after she underwent surgery.
For Chiari malformation, which isn't necessarily the brain itself, but like the fluids being able to flow through the brain.
Her project focuses on cellular processes in the stomachs of these flies that are quite similar to those in humans.
Neuropeptides are then released from that cell, and those control an array of behaviors, including hunger, which is what I specifically looked at.
Similarly to Faith, Seiko 8th grader Jake Brown is also interested in the human body. Jake's project stems from his participation in sports.
Electrolytes and sports drinks, seeing which one replenished the heart rate and blood pressure the most.
To do so, Jake would first take his resting heart rate and blood pressure, run on the treadmill for 5 minutes, take the measurements again, drink a sports drink, wait, and check for the final results. On the physics side of the science fair, Sun River 7th grader Ella Freiberger engineered a system for alerting owners of electric fence malfunctions.
This LED is green and it's saying that your electric fence is good. And then when I gradually slow down the pulse, I can make this LED turn yellow, and that means your electric fence is bad, and at this point it sends the email.
Living near a ranch, Ella recognized that
they would have sometimes issues because their horses would just be wandering around because their electric fence broke.
Ella has high hopes for her invention.
I would potentially like to patent it, and if I had the opportunity, I probably would engineer it further and be able to sell it.
These science projects showcase the minds that are the future of our society. In Missoula, Emily Brown, MTN News.